Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Shirogorov Custom Division Neon NL for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to just smash that like button, and maybe you want to subscribe to the channel. Sure, go ahead, because that's what it's gonna keep bringing me this kind of stuff. Look at that, that's the new Custom Division box. It comes with this protective tube for your actual Custom Division box with the sticker right there. Inside you're gonna find, of course, your Neon NL microfiber cloth as usual, and of course certificate of authenticity, and underneath, yeah, that's the Russian certificate as well. Really cool. You have the number, serial number and everything. So yeah, guys, this is insanity. It is the most beautiful looking neon that Shirogorov has ever made, if we don't count the full customs, and this is a Custom Division. So really cool titanium frame lock with the overall length of 7.75 inches, 3.5 inch long blade, and the handle is going to be let's say 4.5, but it's not true, it's a little bit less. And translated in centimeters, the overall length is going to be 19.5, 8.5 inch long cutting edge, and 11.2 inch long centimeters, sorry, long for the handle. This is a gorgeous titanium frame lock made by Shirogorov in Russia, Custom Division Neon NL, which means inlays. And guys, this is fantastic, because I mean, probably this should be like a silent video, because the images should be just speaking by themselves. I mean, the level of milling that's going on this guy is just ridiculous. It's next level. This is Shiro flexing in every single corner of this knife. It is just gorgeous. I mean, I'm just gonna leave the most of the words for the full length review, but milling like out of this planet. Marble carbon fiber, which is shimmering like in a beautiful way. Really cool. You've got non-spinning pivot, zirconium pivot collar on both sides. You've got, look at the clip, hidden hardware milled like this. This is fantastic. Custom Division screws. You've got, look at the screw screwed in from the inside for the stainless steel lock face insert. How precise is that? Of course, S110V steel. You've got this pretty cool finish on the blade, like magic mirror, like stone washed. Nice jimping, beautiful, kind of like this swedge going on right over here. Roller bearing, single row, beautiful action. Zirconium backspacer, integrated lanyard hole. I mean, the level of skeletonization going on the inside is just nuts. So I invite you to check out my disassembly video. I mean, the action, the sound, the grip, everything is just exuding quality. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.